Good afternoon, I'm Patrick. I'm a disabled investor. It is Monday, April 7th, 2025, and today I finished the day up for a change, $1,300 just about, to finish the day at about $70,000. Not bad considering Friday I ended the day at 68, so this is, an improvement. I know I made a mistake today. I effed up. What I did is I didn't sell a put. I have three puts on Tesla at $160. It dropped significantly today, and instead of selling it at about $10, I let the moment slip, and I got greedy, and I thought maybe Tesla would drop further, and it didn't. It ended up rallying at the end of the day. Anyways, I missed out on the opportunity to sell for more than three times what I paid, and that's that. So, anyways, price dropped a little bit. It's down to about 650 for that option now, and the time has passed. But what are you gonna do? What do they say? Pigs get fed, hogs get slaughtered, and I guess today I was a hog, or was it hogs get fed, pigs get slaughtered? One or the other. I was greedy, and that was my mistake. And maybe you can learn from that. Anyways, that's the whole point of this channel, is to share what I've done over the course of the day and share my portfolio, and hopefully people can learn from what I've done and the mistakes that I've made over the course of the day, so that they don't repeat them. Maybe yourself, you're one of the people that are learning from me what not to do. Anyways, hope everybody had a good weekend. Mine was a little low key. Birthday celebration for my mom on Sunday, and on Saturday I bought an audio book called "How Not to Invest" by Barry Ritholtz, who manages a fund, and it's been entertaining and interesting and informative so far. Highly recommend the book, and I'm learning some things to recognize behaviors of what not to do, and again, I can pass those learnings on, teachings on to other people who can learn from other people's mistakes. And learning from failure, I think, is more important than learning what to do, because it just doesn't stick as well as getting whipped some days. So anyways, today was one of those days. Ended up, but could have been worse. Could have been better. Still trying to preserve cash because I'm not convinced that we're at the bottom yet. Trump's tariff tantrum is causing turmoil on the markets, and today was the third day of losses. Not as bad as Thursday and Friday, but it continued. So I think learning to conserve cash is a good lesson for me, because I'm undoubted that there are going to be opportunities in the next while to scoop up some deals. So anyways, let that be a lesson to you. I hope you're learning from my mistakes, and appreciate everybody for taking the time to watch my journey. The goal of this is to grow my account to the point where I can retire comfortably at 65, when I can withdraw from this registered disability savings plan, and hopefully not need any kind of government assistance at that point. So anyways, c'est la vie. It was a day to remember. Lots of volatility. Anyways, hope you had a good one, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe.